Hi everyone, hope you are all well, and welcome everyone to today's new episode. Today we discuss top 5 exercise bike in the world. We try to present the best products to you. So the 5 products that we will discuss today are the best products ever, and we have brought you a bonus. Buy any product from us and get 10% discount. So don't delay and go to the description and buy now. Let's begin. Number 5. Sunny Health and Fitness Endurance Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike with Magnetic Resistance and Optional Exclusive SunnyFit app and Smart Bluetooth Connectivity. The all-new SunnyFit app takes your Sunny workouts to the next level. View your live metrics displayed in real time as you tour the world with real location, maps adjustable magnetic resistance, provides smooth contactless resistance, and is virtually maintenance-free resistance system, gives you the experience of a realistic railroad feeling. Push-down emergency brake will bring the bike to an immediate stop. Utilize the built-in monitor to track time, speed, distance, calorie, odometer, RPM and pulse. Number 4. FitDesk Bike 3.0 Adjustable Folding Home Office Bicycle Desk. FitDesk is a health and wellness company focused on creating a difference in health at work, school, and home. FitDesk has created a line of products that add light exercise to your day, as well as help you fight sitting disease and feel better. Bike Desk 3.0 Lightweight Folding Exercise Bike with an adjustable desk platform and built-in tablet holder. The durable powder-coated steel frame is compact yet balanced and rigid for stability. Beach cruiser style seat and adjustable backrest ensure comfort all day long. Quick lock compact folding frame with built-in wheels is great for easy transport and space-saving storage when not in use. 16x 28-inch folded footprint backrest and extender allow for upright or semi-recumbent use. Easy adjust beach cruiser style seat along with 4-seat extender allow for quick and correct fit for users from 4'10" to over 6. Number 3. Exerpeutic Exerwork 2000i Bluetooth Folding Exercise Desk. BIKE 2000i Bluetooth Folding Exercise Desk Bike is not only an exercise bike. You can use the desktop as a work platform for your laptop, your favorite book, iPad, smartphone or any device of your choice. No more sedentary sitting at a desk when you can exercise and get healthy while working. It features 400 pounds weight capacity, 24 preset programs, 24-level magnetic tension system, adjustable backrest and 2.5 thick airsoft seat, and 3 workout goal settings. In addition, it is equipped with Bluetooth smart technology with free My Cloud Fitness app. You can burn those calories while you work, read or just watching a movie on your tablet. Cruise the internet, check and reply to your emails without changing your schedule or work routine. The Exerpeutic 2000i Desk Station Exercise Bike folds easily and can be relocated using the built-in transportation wheels. The benefits of work exercise can improve your mental alertness, heighten creativity, fight depression, burn calories, tone muscles, and just improve your overall well-being. 3 years limited. Number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. For 20 plus years, Sunny Health and Fitness is widely recognized as a premier brand of high-quality fitness products. Stationary exercise bike. The sturdy steel frame, heavy 49 pounds weighted flywheel, and 275 pounds maximum user weight gives this bike a rock-solid build that will keep it moving ride after ride. Easily move the indoor cycle from room to room with the front-mounted transportation wheels. Stay hydrated throughout your workout. This convenient bottle holder is built into the frame for easy access. THESFB 1002 is engineered with one of the heaviest flywheels available for a consumer indoor cycle bike. Feel the burn from those intense climbs or get your heart pumping on those sprints. THESFB 1002 is equipped with a quiet and smooth leather brake pad system. Leather brake pad system allows for various tension levels, providing an intense workout, thus burning more calories. Number 1. Pooboo Magnetic Resistance Indoor Cycling Bike. On the one hand, it has a magnetic resistance, which can make you very quiet during riding. Instead of the noise caused by friction of the other bike. On the other hand, it has more flywheel weight and higher quality heavy steel, which shows it will be more stable and secure. It adopts the latest magnet resistance technology, makes it more comfortable and quiet during riding. No disturbing on working, reading, and sleeping at home. The double triangular structure and high-quality steel provide higher stability. This bike can support up to 300 pounds. Pooboo cycling bike equips with a LCD monitor that displays your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and odometer. These computer calculations and readings are hugely beneficial way to keep track of your progress. iPad holder allows you to watch exercise videos or listen to music while exercising, makes your fitness fun. Fully adjustable padded seat, moves up, down, and forward back easily. Oversized saddle with big cushion gives you a comfortable riding experience during long time workout.